Hello everybody! Today I want to show you how to power off and shut down your iPhone 13 and restart it. In the old times, it was pretty easy. If you wanted to shut down television or a phone or something, you just had to press the power button and then the technical item just shut down. But today it isn't so easy anymore. If I want to shut down my iPhone 13 and press the button, then Siri arrives and I don't want to talk to Siri. I just want to restart or shut down my iPhone. If you want to shut down and restart your iPhone, it isn't possible to just press this button, but you have two different possibilities to do so. The first thing is you go to the volume up button and on the other hand the power down button. And we know if we press those two buttons for a short period of time, then it makes a screenshot. But if you keep pressing those both buttons, then you go to the power off screen and then you can power off your screen. You can also watch the medical ID or use the emergency SOS, but now I can just slide to power off and then everything's fine. So that's the first method. The second method you can use is to press the volume up button, the volume down button and the power off button. And if I press those, then I also come here to slide to power off. So these are the two possibilities you can use. You can also go within the menu of the iPhone within the settings, but normally you shouldn't use this as the usage of the buttons here at the sides are really the easiest methods. So I hope this video helped you a little bit and you can shut down and restart your iPhone now pretty easily. If this video helped you a little bit, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed until now, and we'll see you the next time. Bye bye!